when they say I woke up like this is actually how I woke up. I'm gonna be honest. I'm having an allergy attack. Ever since this whole world shutting down thing, all of a sudden I have allergies. So it started yesterday. I'm not gonna fix my hair because, you know, authentic vlog, but just transparency, this is how it's looking, like fresh after taking my scarf off. But yeah, yesterday I started sneezing and I started all the things that are associated with allergies, and it was just a really rough night. But what does that mean to me when I have cleaning to do? Absolutely nothing. So I'm gonna take you all to the bathroom. We're going to do my morning routine for my hair, and then we are going to get started on authentic vlog 16. This is gonna be my weekly deep cleaning routine. I'm not really sure how the layout is gonna go. I don't know if I want to just do like music, no talking, but I've done enough talking, so whatever we're gonna do, we're gonna start now.
Mr. Genius. You don't see.
I got a bone to pick. I don't want you monkey mouth motherfucker sitting in my throne again. I'm mad, but I ain't stressing. True friends, one question. Bitch, where you and I was walking. Now I run the game, got the whole world talking. King Kunta, everybody wanna cut the legs off him. Kunta, black man taking no losses. Oh yeah. Bitch, where you and I was walking. Now I run the game, got the whole world talking. King Kunta, everybody wanna cut the legs off him. Where you got the yams?
What's the yams?
The yam is the power that be. You can smell it when I'm walking down the street.
Oh yes, we can. Oh yes, we can.
I can dig rapping, but a rapper with a ghost rider. What the fuck happened? I swore I wouldn't tell. But most of y'all share bars like you got the bottom bunk in a two-man sale.
That's what they say.
Something's in the water. And if I got a brown nose for some throat, then I'd rather be a bum than a motherfucking bum. Oh yeah. Bitch, where you and I was walking. Now I run the game, got the whole world talking. King Kunta, everybody wanna cut the legs off him.
King Kunta.
Black man taking no losses. Oh yeah. Bitch, where you and I was walking. Now I run the game, got the whole world talking. King Kunta, everybody wanna cut the legs off him.
King
When you got the yams.
What's the yams?
The yam brought it out of Richard Pryor. Manipulated, built, blended with desires. 24/7, 365 days times 2. I was contemplating getting on stage just to go back to the hood, see my enemy and say, oh yeah. Bitch, where you and I was walking. Now I run the game, got the whole world talking. King Kunta, everybody wanna cut the legs off him. King Kunta, black man taking no losses. Oh yeah. Bitch, where you and I was walking. Now I run the game, got the whole world talking. King Kunta, everybody wanna cut the legs off him. I was gonna kill a couple rappers, but they did it themselves. Everybody's suicidal, they didn't even need my help. This shit is elementary, I'd probably go to jail if I shoot at your identity and bounce to the left. Stuck a flag in my city, everybody screaming Compton. I should probably run from here when I'm done, to be honest. And I put that on my mama and my baby boo too. 20 million walking out the court, baby, woo woo. Oh yeah, fuck the judge, I made it past 25, and there I was, a little nappy-headed nigga with the world behind him. Life ain't shit but a fat vagina, screaming, Annie, are you okay? Annie, are you okay? Limo tinted with the gold plate, straight from the bottom, Mr. Belly of the beast. From a peasant to a prince to a motherfucking king. Oh yeah, bitch, where you and I was.
By the time you hear the next pop, the funk shall be within you.
Bitch, where you and I was. Now I run the game, got the whole world talking. King culture, everybody wanna cut the legs off. King culture, black man taking notice. Oh yeah, bitch, where you and I was walking. Now I run the game, got the whole world talking. King culture, everybody wanna cut the legs off.
We won't fall. We won't fall.
Have a need of funky gon' rotate.